What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is yours truly, Damian Little with Temperature Pros. You know my slogan, hot or cold, call Temperature Pros. We got a weekend call, Saturday call, customer call that said the AC's not working. So we're going to see what's going on this beautiful Saturday. Enjoy your day. Some of us have to work. On, so we're gonna see what the unit is doing. We're gonna go back inside and we'll be back. All right, we're back with this particular call. The homeowner got a new thermostat installed. The reversing valve wire was in the wrong terminal, so we had to switch that in the right terminal and program this particular Honeywell thermostat for a heat pump. So there was two problems. The thermostat was not programmed for a heat pump, and the orange wire for the reversing valve was in the wrong terminal. So a simple fix. The customer's happy, we're happy, we got them up and running. You know my slogan, hot or cold, call Temperature Pros.